Hi, friends. Today we are going to talk about living and non living. I wonder if you know how to tell the difference. I'm going to read you a book and it has a song about how to tell the difference. It says, "Are you living?" Let's find out what it means to be living. Look at the things around you. Some are living, others are non living. Some non living things, such as rocks and water, are made by nature. Other non living things, like buildings and books, are made by people. Watch something. Does it move? Does it grow? Can it make more of itself? Your answers will tell you if the thing is living. If the answer to those three questions is yes, it's alive. Living things have certain needs. All living things need air, water, and food. Plants also need sunlight. Without these things, living things would die. So let's learn the song to find out if we're living. Are you living? Are you living? Do you eat? Do you sleep? If you need to breathe air, move from move from here to there. You're living. You're living. Non-living things, friends, do not breathe like we do. They don't move on their own either. They also do not reproduce. Reproduce means make more of the same thing. So, let me think if I can find something on my table that's non-living. I can. I found a gold crayon. Does this crayon breathe? No. Does it move on its own? No, it can move if I roll it or if I pick it up and move it, but it will not move on its own. Can a crayon make more crayons? No, crayons can't reproduce either. Crayons are non-living. Ooh, let's see what this page is about. I see lots of sunflowers. Is it growing? Is it growing toward the sky, green and high? What do you see in this picture that's growing? I see sunflowers or plants growing. What else is growing? The children in the picture are growing too, just like you. If it needs ground, damp ground, and sunshine all around, it's a plant. It's a plant. Remember, we learned about two things that all living things need. We need this too. We need to eat food, and a plant gets its food from the sunlight and from the soil. And it said a word in here that made me think of something that we all need too. The word was damp. We need to eat and drink water. All living things need water. So do plants. Plants need more than just soil, water, and sunlight. They also need space to grow. Interesting. Is it moving? Is it moving? Can it fly? Gallop by. Let's see in the picture, what do you see moving? The horses are moving. I wonder if you saw the birds that are flying. Do you think you could find anything else in this picture that's moving? I think the plants and the trees are moving as they grow, and the children are moving too. Animals need shelter and space to move around. Bigger animals need more space. Living things need dinner, or they get much thinner, so they need to drink and feed. Let's see. Many animals have areas where they graze or hunt for food. Big animals need lots of food, so that means they need a large space. What do you see in this picture that would need food to live? I see this girl giving her cat some food. Do you think she needs food? Yes, I agree too. Are you thinking? Are you thinking? Do you cry? Wonder why? You may not know this, friends, but we are animals. Human beings are animals. We eat, drink, and sleep like other animals. But we're also different in some ways. People have emotions, thoughts, and clever notions, feelings too. Yes, we do. Are you living? Are you living? Are you not? Are you not? I breathe in and grow. Here's the facts I know. I'm alive. I'm alive. We are definitely living. So, friends, I want you to think about what we learned in the book that made us living. What were some of the things that we do that lets us know that we're living? We need air. Take a deep breath in. All living things need air. Even plants need air. Let's see, what else do we need? Food. All living things need food and water. All living things need air, food, and water. Another way to tell if something is living is, can it move on its own? And can it make more of itself? Like a plant can make new plants, it reproduces. An elephant can make other elephants, it reproduces. Those are the ways that we tell if something is living. So today we are going to start our living and non-living project. I'm going to use my colored pencils today, but you may decide to use crayons. So I need my colored pencils, and out of my envelope, I need this paper. It says living and non-living. Okay, friends, today we are going to color our living and non-living work. When we do science work, we don't color things in pretend ways. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean that I would not color something like a tree rainbow because that's not scientific. Trees are not rainbow colored. So I have to think about what color a real tree looks like, and that is the choice that I will make. So let's talk about that now. What color could I color in my tree? There are lots of different colors a tree could be. It could be green, it could be orange or yellow when the leaves are starting to change, or brown or red. But my tree, I'm going to color my favorite color, green. Remember, when you're coloring, have your helping hand holding down your paper and your working hand is trying its best to color in the lines. Remember to slow down around the edges. That's the trickiest part, around the edges. My tree trunk, Tree trunks are brown, so I'm going to color my trunk brown. That looks like a real tree. Hmm. Next, I'm going to color my spider. What color can spiders be? Spiders can be black and brown. I've seen different colored spiders before. I'm going to color my spider black because that's the most common color I see when I see spiders. I wonder how you knew this was a spider. Were there any clues? I can always tell a spider from an insect by counting its legs. How many legs do you see on this spider? Spiders do have 8 legs. Okay, what will I color next? I think I'm going to color the shoes down here. Shoes can be any color. Shoes could even be rainbow. You can color your shoes whatever color you choose. I'm going to color my shoes red and I think yellow. And yellow. Hmm. Okay, so far we've colored 1, 2, 3 pictures. This work is not finished yet. We have to color all of the pictures in. So today, I want you to finish coloring all of your pictures. Once you finish coloring them all, you're going to put your work back in your envelope so we can keep working tomorrow. Remember to color all of your pictures today, and remember when we're coloring science work, the colors we choose need to be real colors, like the tree that we chose to color green, or we could have colored it red, orange, yellow, or brown. But we would have not colored this tree rainbow because trees are not rainbow. Science work is real coloring. Okay, so make sure you finish your coloring so we can work on our living and non-living project tomorrow. Thanks, friends. See you tomorrow. Bye.